Good morning, reception. Today we are going to be continuing with our number bonds to 5. So for this lesson you will need your whiteboard and pen, 5 counting objects, and either 3 bowls like I've got or 3 little plates to make your part, whole model. And we've used this before when we're talking about adding and taking away or subtracting. So we're going to be using this to help us with our number bonds to 5. So if I'm just going to draw my part, whole model, when I have my 2 numbers and my total at the top, it would look something like this. And because we are concentrating on number bonds to 5, you need to count 5 counting objects. So I'm going to start off by counting, and you'll see 1, see my teddy bears there, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that 5 is my total. 5 would be in my top. But I'm going to find different ways to show that on my part whole model. So I'm going to split up my 5, and I'm going to start by putting 1, 2, 3, 4 teddy bears over here, and if you can see here I've got 1 left, so I'm going to put that over there. So I'm not going to add any more objects. I'm going to stick with my 5 counting objects. So I've got 4 teddy bears there and 1 there. Can you remember what this top bowl is for? It's for the total. So if I'm going to write my number 1 to 5 using the part whole model, I'm going to put 4 here in this circle and 1 here, and 4 add 1, what's the total that we have? Is 5. So my top circle, my whole, is always going to be 5. Right, I could do that again. So I'm going to rub out my numbers. You don't have to rub yours out. You could just draw another part whole model, or you can just show me on taking a photo. So I'm going to take my counters out. I am going to find another way I could make 5 using my counters. So this time I might put 1, 2, 3 in this part bowl, and as you can see I've got 2 left, so I'm going to put these 2 in here, and I'm going to show that on my part whole model, my whiteboard. So 1, 2, 3, I'm going to pop 3 there, and I have 2 in that bowl. So 3 add 2 equals 5. So that's my total. So what I would like you to do is use your counting objects and use 3 plates or draw 3 circles and show me different ways you can make the total 5. So your different number bonds to 5. I look forward to seeing your great pictures of your work, and hopefully lots of part whole models on your whiteboards.